everyone.
Hi, Rob.
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't had them before, you won't find him blowing hot and cold like the English weather. And you certainly would have seen him driving to work this morning with fog lights on, unlike the two ships in the North Sea. It's world famous. Lift up, Alan Partridge.
Oh, yeah, I know. Tell me about it. But while he's on about that, if you were the bloke in front of me in the white BMW this morning with his fog lights on, I can't say it on the video.
Oh, okay.
Well, it was bright as anything, and it was a little bit misty.
Oh, well, it's foggy here.
A little bit misty, if that. Jeez, I couldn't see when I got to work. Anyway,
let's talk about more important things.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll get back to Oh, rugby? Oh, yeah, we won, didn't we, bro?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we won.
We won. We could win the championship yet.
Yeah, we could.
If the Scots speak French.
And
Come on, the Scots!
And Wales just don't turn up.
Yeah, that would be handy. That would be handy.
In Wales, you're watching?
Yeah, don't turn up. So what we need with the rugby the coming weekend, the last weekend of the Six Nations, is some good beer.
Yeah, of course, we've got it all lined up, ready to go south.
Is it what it did then? Yeah. Right, then, where are we starting, bro, tonight?
Because the weather did turn nicer,
It did.
I thought I'd brew a lager. So we're going to start with lager.
Right, yeah. Here we go then. We've got Mangrove Jack's Craft Series Brewery Pouch. We were familiar with these ones. We've done a few of these in the past. It's sticky as usual. There we go. So
You can actually get the hops and the instructions inside the pouch in a little separate compartment right next to the malt extract, so it can be a little bit
okie dokie. Sticky.
sticky.
A light and crisp golden lager with delicate cereal malt and subtle fruit notes. Smooth and balanced with a gentle bitterness and a mild spicy floral aroma from Liberty hops.
Oh,
I really should have brought my glasses with me.
yeah, always helps.
4.4%. Yeah,
just a nice session golden lager then, hopefully.
Yeah, lovely. And what do these retail? I didn't know. Oh, it says on it. Look,
Yeah, I left a little price
there's a
sticker on.
price tag on it. It says $20.99. And do you need to add anything to that? Do you need
Yeah,
to add
I think
anything
it
else
says
to
on the front there you might need to add an enhancer, brewing sugar, etc. to get it to the 4.4.
Oh, it says extra fermentables required. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dextrose brewing enhancer or pure malt enhancer.
Yeah.
Lovely. There you
I think I use Dark Rock's lager enhancer.
go. Okay. Oh, got it in the push loader glasses on.
Yeah. It's nice and clear.
Got a little bit of fizz coming off the
Agitator.
bottom of the agitator. Off the
Always
bottom.
remember, if you're serving lager, you need to find some glasses with an agitator in the bottom.
I mean, it's not fizzy, but there's definitely bubblage going on.
There's definitely not quite a bit of bubblage going on. To keep the bubblage, you need the agitator.
Yeah.
Don't go stealing your glasses from the local pub. They need every penny you can. Just go online and buy some.
Unless they've got any, like they're giving away, because quite often pubs will give glasses away because they recycle them off. There's a local pub in the village near us. Sometimes you just put boxes of glasses out for people to come and get it.
There you go. Yeah. Great for your own bar and your own brewing and everything.
But yeah, excellent.
There you go.
Oh, I say. Citrusy,
Citrusy, malty, lagery.
fruity, lagery, but
Is
quite
what you
nice,
want.
pleasant smell though.
Yeah.
Yes, because some lagers can punch you in the face a bit, can't you? But
Yeah, it
that's,
can be, yeah.
that's lovely.
Yeah, shall we go in?
Let's do it.
That's surprisingly good.
Wowzers.
For a lager?
It's not overly lagery though, is it?
No.
It's bordering on being a pale ale, really.
And
Isn't
this
it?
is where some of the kits do struggle with a lager.
Oh.
Yeah, you've got a difference really to tell a very light pale ale, I would have said. There's not a lot of lager-esque going on.
No, it's light, it's refreshing, it's a little bit citrusy. It's got that slight little bubble gummy sort of aftertaste you get with some lagers. I like it.
Not masses of flavour like a lager, just cold and refreshing, really.
Yes, mainly, yeah.
Yeah,
It's nice.
nice. Yeah.
And at 4.4, a nice easy session one if you want to fill those.
Is it a 10 out of 10 though?
Yes.
There you go. It's 10 out of 10 for
It does exactly what you've bought, doesn't it? It's a nice, clear, golden, refreshing lager.
Yeah. Not a lot going on, but
I think it's 10 out of 10. I can't mark it down. I like it.
oh,
It's quite warm as well. You do want to go back for more.
You
for
do,
that one,
yeah,
don't
you
Definitely,
do.
yeah. Right, that's good then. That's
All
cracking
Mangrove.
stuff. Where we go next, bro?
I think we're going now to Malt Miller.
Oh, this has got to be a full grain kit because it comes in one of
Oh,
these
I've
big
seen
boxes.
boxes like that before.
Anyway, now then, this is a seasonal brew, Torque Fuggle to me.
Yes.
Ales and bitters, brewed 23 litres. Comes in a big, nice, recyclable box at least, like this.
And this is their brew day in the box kind of adventure. Everything you need in there: hops, yeast, grains.
So it says all you need is a fermenter, mash paddle, hydrometer, if you use one, cleaner and sanitizer, bottles or kegs. And that's it, that's all you
Well,
need.
you actually don't, do you? Because you've got to make it from grain, so you've got to have an all-in-one kit, or mash tums, or a boiler at some point in time.
Just fermenter on there. Alright, malt, hops, yeast, findings, nutrients and instructions. Why in that box? How much do these retail for? Can you remember, bro?
I can't remember now. I think they're fairly cheap actually. I think they're only about 20 odd pound, if that.
But there is everything you need in it.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So before we go into tasting, we're off into the Dog and Partridge brew room to see how I made some of it. See you in a bit.
See you there.
Morning everyone, and welcome to the Dog and Partridge Brew Day. I've got my new Brew Devil B40. Good thing about this is Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi enables me to delay the start, so I filled this up yesterday with water. When I say filled up, I mean filled it up because I wanted the sparge water as well. Just by running the water off and leaving it for 24 hours can help give you a conditioned water. It can help release some of the chloride within the water. So this came on this morning about 7:30. It's warmed up. It's got to 67 degrees. I've put some water down here into the Pico. So we're about ready to brew. So what we're going to brew today. So in here, oh look, we've got some little things you can clip out and put onto your brew. We've got some beer mats there. Then everything inside looks like ready to brew, but it looks like we've got to weigh out our hops. So right, anyway, let's get mashing. So I tend to just chuck all my grain in, really. Some people don't, they like putting a bit in at a time, stir it in. I just put it in, start bringing the water up from the bottom of the tub, and just basically stirring it all in. I find this method works better for this machine. Once it's all stirred in, just leave it recirculating, and away we go. You just got to make sure you ain't got no big dough balls, but that's fairly easy to do. Once you've got some more water coming into it, it stirs fairly easy, as you can see. Right, that's nearly done. I'll put the lid on and leave it mashing for an hour. Alright, so the instructions are pretty good. Tells you what's in the box, tells you how long to mash for, your mashing temperature, your ABV, how much mashing water and sparge water you should use, temperatures, boil out, boiling time. But the most important thing is your petitions. So it does say fuggles at 45 grams at 60 minutes. This sends you a big bag of fuggles. So you'll need a pair of scales, something to put the hops in, and once my hops are weighed out, I'll put them in this hop spider. This is a grain fiber hop spider. I prefer this one, the one that comes with the machine. And then we drop them in at 60 minutes. So we'll weigh them out in a minute, ready to drop them into the boil. So this particular brew had a mash out to 78 for 10 minutes. It's just completed that. So I've now lifted the grain out of the wort. I'm going to add my sparge water into the grain basket. There you go, there's the sound. That sound you heard there is the next stage beginning. It'll start to boil in a minute as soon as it's sparged. And yeah, let's see what the next stage is. Just took the lid off just in time. And then took me off the boil for a second, even with the app on my phone. Got a nice boil going. So now I'm going to drop in my hop spider, drop it on the pre-weighed hops, and there we go. Next job is 30 grams of fuggles at 5 minutes to the end of the boil. So got another 50 minutes to go, and we'll see you then. About 10-15 minutes before the end of the boil, don't forget to add your water chiller. And drop your phone. But adding water chiller now will help sterilise the water chiller. So do that 10-15 minutes before the end of the boil. Right, so we need to cool our water to 80 degrees and do an hop stand. The easiest way to do that is, see, I've connected my hose pipe to my tap, turning it on, steaming hot water coming out here, so be careful. Steaming hot water coming out here, so be careful. And as you can see, the temperature is coming crashing down. We only want to get to about 80, and then we can put the rest of the hops in there, and then just leave it for 20. And you see it comes quite rapidly down. Another way to get it to come down even quicker is to attach the recirculating arm and recirculate just for a few seconds, like that, over the water chiller itself, and the temperature comes down even quicker because you're bringing the hot water up from the bottom of the vessel, bringing it to the top, and double cooling it. So within a few minutes we'll be at 80 degrees. Alright, there we go, that's how we did it. Sort of.
That was interesting.
It was, wasn't it?
Good that, wasn't it? Yeah. So now we're going to see what it tastes like now.
Yeah, we'll see what it tastes like. See if that all that hard work and timing and all the rest of it, weighing out the hops like we did in the video. Yeah. And obviously this is one made with the water, as in the video I pulled off the day before, so it had time to condition.
Okie dokie. Lovely. I'll tell you what though, even for me, mate, that is crystal.
Crystal clear. It's like
I can see
glass.
I can see you through that. That's lovely. That it's crystal clear. It's bittery colour.
Yes, it's a bittery colour. It's a traditional. I would have said it's a traditional English
It's
bitter.
it's traditional, isn't it?
Because a lot of English traditional bitters were made with the hop, fuggles hop.
Fuggles hop, yeah.
Yeah.
Not an overly strong nose on it, but kind of nice homely pub smell on it.
Yeah, only probably beer, just that normal beer smell, really. Yeah. The malts are coming through in the background. Yeah.
I like that smell.
Yeah.
It's nice and warming and cosy and inviting.
English.
Yes.
English bitter,
English
English
pub.
rugby.
Yes. I'm going in.
I'm going in.
Yeah, cheers. Oh, boy, heck.
Oh, that's good.
That is good.
That's good, isn't it?
That's really good.
Yes.
It's everything you want from a traditional session beer, isn't it?
It is indeed.
It's just got that right amount of bitterness.
It has.
A little bit of toffee in there.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
That's almost like all the best English bitters you can get. You know, Bathams, Bass,
Yes. All those,
Theakstons, all
that
those.
sort of theme, sort of beers.
Rolled up, put into one glass and go, there you go.
It's fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, fantastic.
I'm
That's
going.
very Moorish.
I'm going for 10 out of 10. He certainly is, isn't he?
Yeah, definitely 10 out of 10.
It's 10 out of 10. We're doing quite well with the old beers these days, aren't we?
We are, aren't we?
What's going on?
I know. Don't jinx it, is what I'm going to say.
I should have said that. It's something to go wrong soon. That's fantastic, bro. It's a 10 out of 10 all day long. So, yeah, I thought I'd recommend that one.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I have got, obviously, as you've seen in the video, a new Brew Devil B40. And pulled the water off the day before, as I said in the video. So,
And do you think that's helping?
I do.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Something that's definitely, I've changed that, and something that's better to be improved, isn't it?
So, yeah. Right. A third beer, I believe.
A third beer indeed. Again, another one from Malt Miller.
Malt Miller. One of these big boxes.
Another big box.
This
I've
one.
seen a box before.
Brewed nectar.
Nectar or nectar?
Nectar.
Oh.
T-A-R. It says nectar.
Nectar.
As in nectar of the gods, I presume. hazy pales and IPAs. 23 litres. Not a lot of description on this box, by the way, Brian.
No.
Apart from what they are. Oh, there's something on the label here, look.
Oh, there you go, look.
Oh, here we go, look. Oh, this is going to be fun. I should have bought one of those. An ultra thick, juicy, hazy bomb.
It's hazy.
Yeah. Bursting with a blend of tropical fruits notes, this brew features the dynamic duo of Citra and Galaxy hops, delivering waves of mango, passion fruit, and citrus zest. Is it? It's yeah, tells you all that, yeah. Oh, 5.7%. So a little about the strongest one of the bunch.
Yeah.
It's still not too punchy. Right then.
Can we smell that mangrove citrus punch in the initial smell, bro?
Yes.
Oh.
I can smell it from here. Put my nose in it.
You definitely can smell all that what it just said there.
Yeah. Citra, Galaxy,
Mango,
passion fruit, mangoes.
Yeah.
It's all going on in
quite a
there.
bit of passion fruit actually as well there.
Yeah.
You just said steeping towards the
That's all
passion fruit, that is.
That's all going on in there, isn't it? Oh, that
Yeah.
smells lovely.
And a nice thick white cream you had. We've
Yeah.
put it through the Guinness pump on the shore mixed gas.
It's only slightly hazy, isn't it? I mean,
Yeah.
it's a lot of this style beer you expect probably be a bit more hazy than that, but that's lovely.
Well, it's blurred.
It's blurred. Blurred. That's probably we're going to be in a few minutes. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Morning.
Shut the front door.
Open it and shut it again. Blooming heck.
That's bloody good.
Now, it's weird tasting this way, so we've gone up the ABVs,
Yes.
and the first one was a 10, but this one's a 10, but it's better.
Yes. It's a lot better.
It is better. There's no
Judging is, yes.
you go, mate. I mean, it's just fantastic.
Well, if you started with that one and then judged the lager, I think the lager would then be unfairly judged. That's why I started.
Yes, that's why we always go that way on, don't we, sort of thing. Yeah.
This is absolutely brilliant. It says everything. There's waves of flavour
Yes.
coming through. The passion fruit is high on the flavour list and mixed in with the pine and the grapefruit.
Oh, it's all there.
all there.
It's just all there, exactly as it says on the box.
And there's a good
right.
cracking mouthful.
Yeah, that rolls over the tongue. Look at that, doesn't it? All those flavours. Yeah.
That's rubbish. Don't buy it. Whatever you do, don't buy it.
I would. It's fantastic. Yeah. Cracking that.
Don't buy it so I can go buy it all.
So you just buy it all up. Well,
Definitely a 10 out of 10.
3 10 out of 10,
Plus,
bro.
That's 10 out of 10 plus.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
3 10 out of 10s and a brew video.
Hey?
You're getting your money's worth out tonight, aren't you?
Yes.
Right then. So I tell them,
And if you don't like the brew video, sorry, bro. If you don't like the brew video, by the way, just zip through it. But I don't know if you can zip through it these days without having to like stop for an ad.
Oh, you might have to stop for an advert. Yeah.
YouTube's getting. Yeah.
Why would they not like the brew video? It shows what's going on, bro. Anyway, lovely people there in YouTube land. We seem to have something on the board that says returning champions.
Returning champions, yes, back to Dog and Partridge. We've got 2 returning champions.
Dark Rock, Marlborough Mist.
Yes, a returning champion.
Oh, yes, that was a good one, that was. Malt Miller Bass.
Yes.
Yes. And Dark Rock, Riwaka, is that?
Yes.
Yeah, so Riwaka as well. Oh, looking forward to them.
Yeah, 1 team session series from Dark Rock with a wide ride, Riwaka. And I do believe Bass.
Obviously, you're doing them because we like them.
Yes.
But are you doing them just to see, make sure, you know, all things are still staying as they should, as it were, yeah?
Basically, yeah, I just want to make sure the quality, which I'm pretty sure it will be.
I'm pretty sure it will be as well.
The quality's the same, the conditions the same, and if you are actually any better than they were before.
Yeah. And that's the thing, if you find a beer you like, there's no harm in brewing it again.
No.
And again.
And again.
And again.
Yeah.
If you get it, if he hasn't bought it all. If you're watching us anywhere else apart from YouTube, click on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe channel, comment away, and we do both read them all. He replies, I just like
I try to.
Yeah, no, again, no.
Tiredness and fatigue has took its toll.
Yes. Being self-employed and being fully employed, you don't get a lot of time. Yeah. Is that it for this week, bro?
That's about it from this week, bro. And until next time, it's a goodbye from him.
It's a goodbye from him.
Huzzah to the king!